Studying is broken. You reread the chapter, highlight half the page, spend hours at the library, and still go blank on exam day. What if you had a personal tutor that never sleeps, never judges, and explains things until they finally click? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use a free AI tool to transform your study sessions. Let's get started. That tutor is Tera, a free AI learning companion at teraai.chat. Here's how to get started. First, go to teraai.chat and sign in with your Google account. No credit card required. You get free monthly credits to use however you want. Tera is built for students, teachers, builders, and anyone who's learning something new. Whether you're studying for a biology exam, learning to code, or trying to understand quantum physics, Tera adapts to your level and helps you learn faster. The first mode is understanding. Most students make this mistake. They ask vague questions like explain photosynthesis. That gives you a textbook dump. Instead, ask like a coach. Try this prompt. Explain photosynthesis like I'm 10 years old. Use one analogy and 2 real-world examples. Watch what happens. Tera breaks it down into simple language. You build a real mental model, not a wall of jargon. Here's another example. Say you're studying economics. Don't ask explain supply and demand. Ask explain supply and demand using a lemonade stand example. Keep it under 100 words. The key is being specific about what you want. The more specific your prompt, the better Tera's response. Step 2 is testing. This is where the magic happens. Rereading feels productive, but it's not. Testing is productive. Here's the prompt. Create 5 quiz questions about cellular respiration. Mix multiple choice and short answer. Don't show answers yet. Answer them first, then say, I missed questions 2 and 4. Explain those with a memory trick. This is called the testing effect. It's science-backed. When you struggle to retrieve information, your brain strengthens those neural pathways. You remember it longer. Active recall beats passive highlighting every single time. Step 3 is building a plan. Cramming fails. Systems win. Here's the prompt. I have an exam in 7 days. Topics are biology, chemistry, and physics. I'm weak on chemistry. Build a realistic day-by-day study plan with reading, practice problems, and review sessions. Tera creates a schedule you can actually follow. No more guessing what to study tonight. No more wasted all-nighters. You follow the plan, and by exam day, you've covered everything systematically. Step 4 is summarizing. Drowning in notes. Here's the prompt. Pull the 5 must-know points from cellular respiration. Turn them into flashcards for spaced repetition. Less rereading, more retrieval. Keep only what the exam actually tests. You can even ask Tera to quiz you on those flashcards in a future session. The spaced repetition effect means you review at optimal intervals, right before you'd forget. For builders and coders, Tera is your debugging partner. Paste in your error message and say, "Explain this error like I'm 10. Then show me the fix step by step." Tera breaks down cryptic error messages into plain English. You learn while you fix. Same tool, different classroom. Tera can also help with research. Ask it to summarize a topic, compare two concepts, or create an outline for your essay. Try. Summarize the causes of World War I in 5 bullet points. Then give me a thesis statement I could use. You get structured, actionable output. No more staring at a blank page. Here's the honest truth. Tera doesn't replace the work. It upgrades the work. 4 hours of rereading becomes 1 hour of active learning that actually lasts. You're still the pilot. Tera is the co-pilot. Adjust your prompts when answers feel too simple or too dense. The tool works, but you have to drive it. Try it free at teraai.chat. No credit card. Free monthly credits. Comment the subject you're studying. We'll make a video on that next. Subscribe for practical AI study systems that actually work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Here's an advanced technique. Don't just ask for one explanation. Ask for multiple analogies and compare them. Try this. Give me 3 different analogies for gravity. Which one explains it best for a 10-year-old? Tera will give you multiple perspectives. You pick the one that resonates. This is how you find the explanation that actually makes sense to your brain. Everyone learns differently. One analogy might click for you that wouldn't work for someone else. Finally, build a learning journal. At the end of each study session, ask Tera, "What did I learn today about photosynthesis? What should I review tomorrow?" Tera remembers your conversation context. It can give you personalized review recommendations. This creates a natural spaced repetition system. You review topics right before you'd forget them. Over time, you build a comprehensive knowledge base that compounds. 4 weeks of this system and you'll know more than 4 months of traditional studying.